Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a full makeup tutorial using this both foundation, one from Maybelline and the other one from Chiclan, and also we're using this both concealer, beauty blender, my favorite. But we're using this 3 eyeshadow from Set Blue to create a very simple eyeshadow look. So
fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean, I sell them on devotion and so my God. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, with cities to places, a better one I saw. I said,
I'm using this eyeshadow primer. I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm using this eyeshadow from Set Blue. 3 color. Let me start with this lemon green. I just have to blend this harsh line out. We are applying a eyeliner to make everything look perfect. I'm using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild.
Do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know the read your mind. Oh, well, do you love yourself? Like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean, I sell them on devotion and so my God.
With my makeup set, I have to set my makeup with this spray. Yes, this is my finished look for today. I hope you all like how it turns out. This is my first time creating something different. I mean something really gorgeous. So guys, you all see how the colors pop out. I do not use any filter to make the color pop out. I use eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer is the same. So if you want the color of your eyeshadow to pop out, you really need to use base or primer on your eyeshadow, so that is why I got this color pop. It's really the color is really, this is what I use to create this look. This 3 shade here, this 3 eyeshadow from Seta Blue is from Seta Blue. So I really love this eyeshadow. I really love them. Oh my god, it's, you guys can see this is so gorgeous. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.